Welcome to WriteWe, the largest freelance platform specialized in academic writing. How does it work? Step 1. Simply visit writewe.com, fill in your research field, fill in your type of assignment, and find your writing expert. Step 2. Review the bids. The writers will bid on your project with prices and deadlines, and you can select one of them and start your project. Whether you are a PhD student, a master's student, or a bachelor's student, we have what you need. The education field is changing and we want to contribute to that change. That's why we are creating a global academic marketplace for connecting students and researchers with talented writers from all over the world. Whether you need help with thesis writing, a publication, data analysis, or just a small editing assignment, we have what you need. And that's it. Writing has never been so easy. SCI, SSCI, Q1, Q2, Q3. We can help you publish in all kinds of journals according to your requirements. Got curious? So why wait? Visit writewe.com and try it out today. WriteWe. Academic writing starts here.